Stock market investing for beginners. Today I'm gonna show you everything you need to know if you're new to the stock market. What are stocks? Stock markets provide companies with the opportunity to raise money by selling parts of their business as shares. Just like a slice of cake, a share is exactly that. If you buy one, you own a small part of a company and become a shareholder. Let's assume this is the ownership of a company, and you decide to buy a small piece of that. Congratulations! Now you are a shareholder. Obviously, the more you buy, the more you own. What's the difference between trading and investing? While investing aims to create wealth over the long term by buying good companies and holding it for a long duration, trading aims at generating profits by frequently buying and selling companies. When you trade, you're trying to make quick money, and that can be very stressful sometimes because you're basically gambling. Whereas long-term investors are much more relaxed because they don't have to think about their stocks every day. This is why 90% of the traders lose money, while long-term investors have a better chance of succeeding. This is why I'm recommending them. What are the best stocks for beginners? I suggest you buy blue chip stocks, which are high market cap stocks. This is because they are pretty safe and you need to gain experience. Otherwise, you can open a demo account and invest fake money, or you can invest in an index fund. There's no shame in doing that. Again, you need to gain experience. It is essential to win in this game. How to make money? You can either buy high and sell low, or you can buy low and sell high, which is for long-term investors the most used one. But you need to know when to do that. Here we have a chart. You need to try to buy here and not here, but this is not easy. But apart from this, you can make money with dividends, which are payment paid by a corporation to its shareholders. Dividends usually go up every year, which means you can make a ton of money with the compounding effect. Here are a few tips for beginners. As Warren Buffett says, buy when others are fearful, sell when they are greedy. Don't let other people influence you, even if they are many. Learn about both technicals and fundamentals. Share price equals to market cap divided shares outstanding, which means a low share price doesn't mean the company is cheap. Don't follow trends. Don't invest all of your money right away. How to study a company? The best thing to do is read the investor relations. Among these, the most useful ones are the 10K feelings. After you study them, you can start taking down notes on your favorite stocks. Remember, it is important to keep up with the news. In this case, my suggestion is Yahoo Finance. I love that. Is diversification a good thing or not? Well, if you buy one stock and then that stock crashes, you may end up broke. On the other hand, if you buy 50 stocks, it is impossible to stay behind them all. Which is why I recommend you buy between 5 and 10 stocks. This is the perfect number. Let's get now to the main point. The most important thing to do is invest in yourself. Read any kind of book that can help you improve financially. As Muhammad Ali says, suffer now and live the rest of your life as a king. Like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.